Want more traffic to your print-on-demand store through Instagram? Welcome again, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll talk about an amazing tool that will help you more to promote your people and the print-on-demand professionally on Instagram. And first of all, one of the best ways to make your Instagram grow bigger and promote anything as you want is you have to engage with the higher accounts in your niche, or in other words, the influencers in your niche. And you can do that by leaving a valuable and genuine comment in their posts. And your comment is supposed to be more valuable to give people the reason and the motivation to visit your account and engage well with your content and your posts. And fortunately, there is an amazing tool that will help you doing that. This amazing tool is $80.com. $80.com. It's a fantastic Instagram marketing tool that will help you more to save your time and your effort to find the highly engagement posts and the most recent ones where you can leave your valuable comment. That way, you would be one of the first guys who post in this post to make a valuable comment. And consequently, your comment would be more viewable by many people who are interested in that post and that niche. Therefore, many people visit your account and engage with your post with likes, comments, and visit your Republic store, Teespring store, and the TeePublic, and so on and so forth. And of course, you can use $80.com for free. So first off, what does it mean by $80 strategy? Picture that your comment is equivalent to some cents. So when you post your comment regularly on a daily basis in different highly engagement posts, your value or your comment's value would be higher, which is equivalent to $80. As here, $80 is a platform that displays the post you should comment on each day to get the most engagement. As you see, leave your 2 cents in the form of a comment on 9 posts across 10 different hashtags each day. As you see, 0.02 cents times 9 posts times 10 hashtags is equivalent to $1.80. Okay, perfect. So if you have a look at the pricing plans here on $80.com, here you can find this one. You can use that free forever, of course, with some limitations. And if you want to enjoy with all these features limitlessly, so you have to be a subscriber or a premium user, as you see, just for $15 a month. So we can start off with this one, get started for free with this amazing plan. And now we can click over that, get started, to connect $80 with your account on Instagram. And here, create a free account. There, insert your details like email, name, password. So you can do it quickly. As you see, after sign up for free on $80.com, you have to give the permission to connect your Instagram account and $80.com. So click over this button, connect your Instagram profile. And for sure, you have to connect your $80 with Facebook as well, business page and your business accounts on Instagram. And here you have to select your Instagram profile. Get started with $80 strategy. So I'd like to take this one, select profile. Perfect. And here, if you want to try for free the premium plan, so you have to go through 14 days of free trial, or you can skip to use $80 premium or the free plan. So I'd like to use it for free right now. And this guide, perfect. And now, as you want, you have to make your business Instagram page about a specific niche, like cat lovers, dog lovers, birthdays, graduations, and so on and so forth, to get more traffic, to get more people who are interested in that niche. And now let's go to posts. No hashtags active at that moment to show your post, the most recent post where you can leave your valuable comments. So you can go to this button, go to hashtags, and go to this plus icon to add some active hashtags. And be mindful of, we are in the free plan, okay, limited plan. So we can insert here the main hashtag. For example, if your Instagram account is about husky lovers, so you can make t-shirts, designs about husky. So you can add something like husky, okay. And in the free plan, you have to select up to 10 hashtags, active hashtags to show your posts about husky, like this one, husky and husky lover, husky love, all thing husky, and so on and so forth, Siberian and so on. Perfect. Done. Perfect. Therefore, you have to select some of them to be active hashtags, and this 3 dots, set active. As you see, like this one, for example, set active, husky puppy, set active, and husky live, and as you see, perfect, and so on and so forth. Okay, perfect. And now we can go to posts, and now it shows you all the most recent posts about husky lovers, as you see. So now in the free plan, you'll find some few posts to post your comment there. So you have to select the most recent one with high engagement, with likes and less comments. Like this one, for example, it's a perfect one. So you can click to comment, as you see here, click to comment. And this one, for example, 5 comments, it works. So we can try in this one. And now we will be taken to this Instagram post to make your valuable comment. And here you can insert your comment. And heads up, there are 2 amazing ways to use $80 to promote your Instagram business page and get more traffic. The first one is a direct method. Here you could use your original business page, and you can add here your valuable and genuine comments that have details, information, tips and tricks, and so on. And that way you have to make people more curious to see your comment and convert them to visit your account. On the other hand, the second way is you have to use another personal Instagram, or you can take it as a fake one, where you can add here your comments that praise your original Instagram page. For sure, you have your call to select the most suitable one for you to promote your Instagram page, direct way or indirect way. For example, if we try the second way, the indirect way, so we can be like that, like, my husky dog is my friend everywhere. I am so proud to get my t-shirt from you, Magican. And you can mention your original Instagram page, as you see, at Husky Devotee. So many people who engage well and you see this amazing photo of Husky and this post, they will see your comment where you praise this amazing artist, Husky Devotee. So you can give me motivation to visit this page to see your contents, your posts, and your store as well. And when you post this comment, just you can copy that and you repeat this comment over and over again. So you can go together to another post like this one, for example. This one, for example, with high engagement, as you see here, it's about 1,000 likes. So you can use this huge traffic to this post, this high engagement, and post your valuable and genuine comment where you can promote your original Instagram page directly or indirectly. And this time, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.